Alright guys, so we can max this volume out here. I mean, this is really nice, guys. Like, really nice. So this one is probably one of the clearest and easiest projectors I've ever seen. Hello my friends, and welcome back. Today we have another projector to unbox and show you guys. So this projector is 1080 full HD, 16 by 9 screen size. Comes nice and protected. Let's go ahead and see all the accessories that they provide you with. So this is an upgraded model. It is one of their higher end models. So on the back here you have a spot for headphones, HDMI cable, USB, the power cable. Nice, stylish. You got a spot underneath it that you can mount it on a tripod. Go ahead and peel this off. Alright, let's check out the accessories, what they have. Alright, so you got your power pack. You got your, that goes with the power manual in here. And also inside here, we got our remote. So pretty standard remote. Doesn't look too bad. You got your standard buttons on here. Check this out. It takes 2 AAA batteries. I don't see any in the pack, so you need to supply your own AAA batteries. Guys, let's go ahead and plug this in and test this out on the wall. Guys, I take it back. The remote is not simple. So check this out. With the remote, you can adjust the tilt of the screen. So I don't know if on camera you guys can really see that, but you can adjust the tilt by a lot. So as you tilt it, it tilts itself. I mean, it is crazy how much you can tilt this. And not only can you do the tilt, you can also do the focus. And this is all just with your remote. So as you guys can see, you can focus this and it shows it on there. And you can focus this really crisp. Much better than all the other ones of the past I've ever reviewed. I mean, this is really nice. So guys, of course, on a white screen, it's going to work better. Right now, we're just testing in the testing phase. So you got ISO, AP mirroring, ISO Wi-Fi, you got Android, you have signal source, settings, companion mode. Under settings, you can do projection settings, so front table, in and out zoom, vertical correction. You got all these different things. So you can actually change this within the settings itself or with the key, you know, with your remote as well. I mean, there's just a whole bunch of stuff that you can do in the settings. So far, I'm impressed. Network connected to the internet, Bluetooth, other settings. Yeah, so far this is really nice. The question will be, how's the quality? And I think we're about to test that out right now. Wow. I don't know if the camera is picking this up. I really don't think the camera can do justice. Now, I wonder how close we can get. Alright, my friends, so that's about as close as you can get. So from there to the wall. So that's actually really close. And as you guys can see, now I don't know if in person it's actually really showing how beautiful that is. Or I mean, I don't know if in the camera it is. But for in person, it is really nice. I think if we go back a little bit further, we can get it a little. Alright guys, so we can max this volume out here. I mean, this is really nice, guys. Like, really nice. So this one is probably one of the clearest and easiest projectors I've ever seen. I don't know how the camera is picking it up, but it is really nice. So if you guys are looking for a projector, yeah. And of course, the projector would look better on something solid white, you know, as we got wallpaper here. But we just wanted to test this out. And yeah, I'm impressed, guys. Really impressed. What I recommend you guys doing is getting a white screen, putting it on a wall, and then use the projector. And man, you guys are going to have a lot of fun